Hello everyone, you are welcome to this channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to insert a picture into a shape. So firstly, click on Insert and click on Shapes. Now select any shape which you want. Now draw. Now right click of your mouse and click on Format Shape. Now click on Fill. Select Picture or Texture Fill. Now click on Insert Picture from File. Now select your picture. So now you can see picture is placed into shape. We will do again. Click on Insert, Get New Shape and draw the shape. Click on Picture, Insert Picture from File. Click on Insert. Now close this button. So now you can see shape are with pictures. So friends, I hope this video will be useful for you if you want to insert any picture into shape. If you like this video, so please hit like button, share and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks again for watching this video.